Now this time, let's discuss the compensation with overtime work during regular holiday that falls on a rest day. Okay? So the formula for that, for the total pay for the first 8 hours on a regular holiday that falls on rest day is we have total pay is equal to 260% times daily wage. Okay, for the first 8 hours. And for work with overtime exceeding for first 8 hours on a regular holiday or holidays that falls on a rest day is given by total pay is equal to 260% times daily wage plus 260% times 130% times hourly rate times the number of overtime hours. Okay? So, this one here in terms of percent and this one here in terms of daily in decimal form. So, you can use both. Okay? Referring to example number 5, if Emmy rendered service on a regular holiday that falls on her rest day, how much she will earn on that day alone. Okay? So since Miss Emmy rendered service on Independence Day and it falls on her rest day, we will use this formula. So either in percentage form or in decimal form. Okay, so let's use the decimal form. Okay, so let's have first the given. Okay, so the given are we have first is the number of overtime hours, which is 3 hours. Okay, so for hourly rate, for our hourly rate, so di ba na-solve na natin kanina, which is, yung hourly rate niya ay 95.19. So we have 95.19 and her daily wage, we have, her daily wage is 761.52. 761.52. Okay. So, let's solve. So, let's use this formula. So, we have total pay is equal to, we have 2.6 times her daily wage, which is 761.52. Okay, then plus 2.6 times 1.3 times the hourly rate, which is 95.19 times the number of overtime hours, which is 3. Okay, so let's solve. Let's multiply. So we have 2.6 times 761.52. That is 1,979.95 plus, let's multiply here. So we have 2.6 times 1.3 times 95.19 times 3, and that is 965.23. And to get our final answer, just add 1,979.95 plus 965.23 is 2,945.18. So, therefore, Miss Emmy will receive 2,945.18 on that day.